Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi 12C. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Assistant on lock screen. In the beginning, let's go to Google app, enter menu and go to settings. Go to Google Assistant, voice match and enable Hey Google function. Tap Next, Agree and Continue. Now, let's try it out. Hey Google. Okay Google. Sometimes you'll have to retrain the voice model. Okay Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Tap Finish. And now let's try it out again. Hey Google. Okay, now we are sure it's working, let's go back and enter lock screen. Make sure that this function is also enabled, and now you can simply lock the screen and say, Hey Google. Okay Google. What's the weather like tomorrow? Okay Google, what's the weather like tomorrow? And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.